I got a really nice package in the post today. It's one of the new Hultafors dry markers. It comes with a pack of 10 refills inside. The pen itself is really nicely designed. It's not going to roll off on an uneven surface when you put it down. The holster itself has a really nice positive click retention on the marker. The marker feels really nice in your hand when you're holding it. When the pin runs out, you just open the back, put a new one in, put the cap back on, click it a few times, and then you're good to go again. There's also a built-in sharpener underneath the clip. You can use the pen from inside the holster as well by just expanding the clip through the bottom of the holster. All in all, it's a really nicely designed package. I really like the case it comes in. I'm looking forward to using it over the next few weeks.